Hi everyone, welcome to Eden's Secret. Today I'm showing my full collection of moulds from the Starboard Mould shop. I'll put a link to their website in the description box below, and they have a very active Facebook group page, but be warned, if you go on the Facebook page you're not going to be able to resist buying these moulds. Now obviously I make lots of different products, so I'm sure some of the regulars on the Starboard Mould shop Facebook group will have a lot more moulds than I've got. But I just thought it might be interesting for you, for me to show you all of the moulds that I have. So I'm going to start off with the rounds first, because they have a fantastic option of round bath bomb moulds. And what you do is you buy the base, which is this one, and as you can see it's got a nice flat bottom so that it stands up on its own. Perfect. And then you can buy all manner of rounds to fit onto that. So we've got a cavity mould here, so they're a good size. They're a good, they're about 7 centimeters in diameter. I've also got the honeycomb. I've got what I call the Louis Vuitton print. I love this one. This one is like a world map. You can see it's got a lot of the countries and things on there. I've got the mermaid mould here. I bought 2 of those. I keep doing this, buying 2. When I place orders with companies, I'll buy 2 of things and think, what on earth did I do that for? Then we've got multiple hearts, which has got different sized hearts on there. And then we've got like a pinwheel swirl, which is really cool. And then we've got beautiful rose mould there. And then had to have this one. It's a snowflake, which I absolutely love. And then we've got a sunshine, like a star, a sun star with a face with sunglasses on. Pretty cool, that one. And then we've got a cheetah skin. Love that. Well, I like all of them, otherwise I wouldn't have bought them, would I? Okay, and then we've got a tiger print. I love this one. This is actually how I found Ryan in the first place. Ryan's the owner of Starboard Moulds, just in case you didn't know. Quite a while ago, maybe last year sometime. I mean, it might even be the year before, I'm not sure. But I saw someone on YouTube do an apple-shaped bath bomb. And I thought, oh, that's the coolest mould I've ever seen. And I think that's, well, I know that's how I actually found Portside Soap Company, which is what the video the video was made by. And then a friend of mine who's a fantastic bath bomb maker, Nicole. Hi Nicole, if you're watching. She told me all about Starboard Moulds. So great, thank you to Nicole for that. Mind, I might have saved a bit of money if she hadn't told me. So we've got a lovely star wand. As you can see, most of these moulds are pretty big. Then I've got this really cute sheep. It's gorgeous. They're a little bit shallower, so if you're making embeds for these ones, they'll need to be quite small. We've done this one. Now this here, this is what's called an outbed mould. Now, you might have seen that Lush do bath bombs, and in a round bath bomb they've got like shapes that are sort of stuck on the outside. They're not stuck on the outside, they're inside the bath bomb, but they're on the surface. Yeah, they're on the surface of the bath bomb. So you can see the tops of these shapes here are curved, so that when you put those into your bath bomb, you're going to get that really cool shape, whatever shape you want. We've got stars, a moon, a flower, a heart and a moustache. So really cool. I'd love to see a clouds, but Ryan doesn't copy off anyone, so because Lush do one with clouds on. Oh, in the rounds I've also got the mum, and then we've got the cutest turtle, and that's also got a map of the world on as well. You've seen me use this one many times, and you know that these moulds unmould very well, very easy. So this is a Pop-Tart, and this is the Frappe that you've seen me use many times. This one here is a crown. I've got two of those because you can put the crown together and have like a full crown, or just use half and have a half size. Then look at this fabulous flamingo bath bomb mould. It's really cool. Little bit more difficult to use this one because of the narrow legs and the feet, but it is a very successful mould. Then this is another one I bought two of. This is like a lovely cocktail mould, and that's the other one of those. And then we've got a dream catcher. Some of these, like the dream catcher, someone put a picture up on Ryan's on Starboard Moulds Facebook group, and this is what happens. You see, yeah, you see the moulds on the website, but when you see what people have done with them, it's like, I've got to have that, I've got to have that, I've got to have that. Oh no, stop it, stop putting pictures up on this Facebook group, because when I see them I can't resist. So we've got another, well, it's probably more like a tiara, this one. It's really quite big, that one. And then we've got Cinderella Castle. Now this can be bought as a 5-part set of moulds. So the centre is Cinderella Castle, and then you've got four other Disney inspired moulds around it. I love this one. This is like the VW camper van. Then we've got like a mermaid puck. We've got a bath with bubbles in. And then we've got, this is perfect for dads out there, a beer glass. An old-fashioned beer glass. It's something you hardly ever see these days. But in my time, when I was younger, a lot of beer glasses were like this. And then he does quite a few of these drippy planets. I thought I had more, but I've actually only got two. So we've got Saturn here, and then you can see the drips coming down. They look really fantastic when they're painted. And then I've got a gorgeous moon, crescent moon. Love this one as well. This is like a painter's palette. And then we've got a love bar here. Now Ryan also does all the letters of the alphabet if you want them. This one I call the Bible, but it's just like a book mould. And then a cute piece of toast with a gorgeous face on, and a knob of butter. I love this owl mould. I do like, I'm not really one for animal moulds, but I really do like owls. You know, over the years I've seen lots of people make owl soaps and things like that. So yeah, I do like owl shapes. And then these are the Christmas ones I've got. So I've got a cute gnome there, which a lot of people use all year round actually. An ugly sweater, which this one isn't ugly at all, is it? A lovely, this is the large front door here with a gorgeous wreath on there. This one was my idea, UK ER post box with snow on the top and snow on the bottom. So that's another great thing. Ryan asks everybody for ideas all the time of what moulds he should make. So that's where most of the ideas come from. I'm sure he creates a lot of his own as well. So that was my inspiration there. And then a gorgeous Santa's sock, Christmas stocking. It's got all the prezzies sticking out at the top, and then we've got Santa coming down the chimney, and we've got a lovely fireplace. That's the wrong way around. Fireplace with the stockings hanging off. A gorgeous reindeer. This one is incredibly popular. I see pictures of that one popping up all the time. So there we go. This is my Starboard Mould Shop bath bomb mould collection. Okay, so a lot of these moulds I've had for a long time, and I've only used a few of them up to now. Most of them haven't been used. This was just delivered yesterday. A lot of these ones were just delivered yesterday, and I thought, why don't I do a Starboard Mould collection video. Ryan is really sweet. He's really on the ball, he's great at answering messages. He's great at replying to comments on his Facebook page, and I think he ships out weekly. So I ordered these last week and they were here yesterday, which was Tuesday. I don't know what day I ordered them. So yeah, beware that you're going to spend money if you go onto the Starboard Mould Shop Facebook page, but I'm going to have great enjoyment out of all these really excellent moulds. They're really good quality, nice strong plastic they're made of, obviously, and I think plastic for these types of moulds is the best and easiest way to make bath bombs. Alright, so thanks for watching. I'll see you all very soon for another video, and just before I go, I want to thank Sarah for her lovely gift. She sent me some rubber gloves, which I love useful gifts, so they're going to come in really handy. She wanted to thank me for everything she'd learned from watching my videos, so thank you, Sarah. And that's it for now. I'll see you all very soon. Bye bye for now, everyone.